Such misrepresentation by an elected representative is misleading the public and indirectly supports the cause of land grabbers. Hence, as a minister of the government of Goa, I hereby place on record the true objective and safeguard of this legislation. Issue clear public communication to reassure Goans about their property rights and take appropriate measures to counter false propaganda that is detrimental to public trust. Speaker, sir, I had clearly, actually, when this bill was brought into this House, I had clearly explained why this bill basically was brought. And in spite of that, actually, our honourable member actually started giving a wrong color to this full bill.
Because sir, ह्या हाडपाचे म्हजो हज आशिल्ले हांवें सांगून आसलें पूण ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक हांवें हो इशू काडला. एक व्हिडिओ सर्क्युलेट जाता कोंकणी न्यूजाक आमचे गोंयचे जनतेचे म्हणजे गोंयान आसलेले न्ही गोंयचे भायर आसलेले गोंयचे लोकांक आनी म्हाका कितले जाणी तो व्हिडिओ धाडलो. हांव ऑनरेबल आमचो आमदार कालूस बाब जो आसा एक कलीग आसा ही इज अ कलीग ऑफ लिगल फेटर्निटी. ही इज गॉट द हायेस्ट रेप्यूट एज एडवोकेट. He is a senior advocate for the High Court of Goa. आणि हितू कितें जालें स्पीकर सर तेणें कितें सांगलां थोड्यो गोश्टी बऱ्यो आसा पूण वेदर ही हॅज टू क्लॅरिफाय तो व्हिडिओ जो सर्क्युलेट जाता वेदर तेका कट पेस्ट कितें आतां खूब जाता कट पेस्ट करून खंयचो व्हिडिओ खंय घालता. हीज इंटेन्शन वेरी क्लियर. ही सेड दॅट यू हॅव टू पे युअर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स इन टायम. that your सुसेगाद outlook जो आसा वो आसपाक जायना. He said share your keys with your neighbors so that you can keep your house clean. आणि नेबरांक सांग कोण येयलो जाल्यार आपणाक कळय नाल्यार तेजेर नोटीस मार दाराचेर की कोण जर येयलो जाल्यार म्हाका फोन कर की हे घर म्हाजें. हें सगळें बरें आहा पूण तितू भितर दुसरें घातलें की एक हें काडलां whether he has seriously said it to saying that caution because government is now going to rob your lands or grab your lands or whatever. So I wanted to know from the Honourable House and Honourable Minister whether this law which was brought is very specific, and I will show you in the constitution, which I don't have to tell my colleague, that lands which are not titled are already in the constitution belonging to the government to the particular government, and it is already there. Now this bill was brought for a particular purpose, and that is why I think one court is also established, I mean for different reasons. म्हणजे इतलेच हें आशिल्लें की जो एप्रिहेन्शन जे गोंयचे लोकांचे भायर आसा म्हणजे जे दुसऱ्या देशांनी म्हाका फोन करून तो व्हिडिओ धाडलो आनी एप्रिहेन्शन हे आमचे तकलेन आसा खऱ्यांनी सरकार now here comes that the lands which are having survey numbers, houses which are existing, whether it will